Indaba. That's exactly 6 o'clock. Let them know, Queen. Yeah, man, and in the mix, Namhlanje, I got this one names, man. I can't wait. It's going to be amazing. It's somebody that's been doing so much for the Llanos culture. Usfaza RT is going to be joining us in the mix, wrapping up the show today. So I want to go Gumnand, and it's designed for your ultimate enjoyment as Dalitin. Don't be that guy. Talking about Uncle MC, we can't. I want to see setting actually like Lendole. The song is called Tiba Nice, Show 101, Lou Musician, DJ Maporis, Uncle MC, and more. I think this is the one that we need to properly lay the mood. It's on Genagio in a sec. Ukona Live Studio, it's going to be amazing. Stay where you are, right there. So what I actually need now? I actually need you to record that interview because now I've lost this guy.
Okay, I'm on live here.
Okay, can we use your phone to record?
Yeah.
Yeah, for live, Yako, what you can do, I can give you
So we're recording the whole interview.
Yeah, because I need to post it on the socials later. So much guys.
So how long is the interview?
On space cover.
Space. How long is it going to take?
I don't know. Depends on how long it's over.
It's off.
I will catch it. They love to catch it. On the socials later. Let me just get your angle right. Let me see.
So see where we together.
Tune in to Kagasi FM right now. Tune in to Kagasi FM right now.
Like this.
It's Suga money. Jai wana man.
Suli camera.
That's even nice. Well.
Can I get that space? Cool.
Hold.
Spectacles.
Hola.
How are you?
I'm spectacular yourself.
Hey, I'm gorgeous.
Good.
Yeah, my constituent.
Kuluma bavulale.
Oh, he's here.
Kuluma now.
Sunburn.
Utubani said hello.
Ubani Nkosi yami.
Inkosi amakhala.
Oh, what up, better be good. Yeah, when Nkosi amakhala. They're on.
So this is our life. This is our life. Oh really? If it's sharp. I've never heard that line before, like that ad-lib. This is too much.
It's too much.
This is one. Because it's a Dila ad-lib, right?
Yeah.
We're almost there.
Yeah. Oh, yo. Yeah. Chiba. O's.
Yo, the first time I heard the song, I was like, what the fuck is this now? And that timing say live. You know how live is. Like, look, Shangi Nambo Ngazwe anyway.
And the sound they're calling here.
No.
Simnamlami.
Can I start recording?
And he's right here in the studio with us, singing along to the song. Awashayele live, buff. Ay.
Yeah. Yo. Atiba nice.
Awe.
Atiba.
Yeah, we.
Atiba nice. Show me.
Good vibes only right here in the Fast Lane with Spectacular Cell, Beyonce, and DJ Naves and Uncle MC's in the building.
Chalo mina. Let's go posakata zekishe. Iphumile le ngoma.
It's so cool, man. We have him right here. Yabona, even now is shocked with him. Let me pumile because Tina Snayo, like a Fast Lane. That's just how we do, bro. It's how we do. You know what I'm saying? It's just what we do.
Wow, you guys got me there.
Like Sal Beyonce did say earlier on, Uncle MC is an African Amapiano artist, award-winning MC and presenter. Known for his sharp lyrics, he shy ad-lib, blind, no vibe, we shy, blind, that ability to hype a crowd. And man, he's been doing the things for such a long time. Welcome to the show, bro.
Someone, thank you guys for having me.
Thanks.
Njani? I'm
glad it's finally happening because you and Naves have been trying to piece this thing together for his Kashana, man.
Yeah, Naves does.
Yeah, when's that?
He will just call me. You
Eh?
know? He'll call me and then, like, if I can tell you,
Yeah.
he's just like, okay. Like, yeah. So, like, I wouldn't know. Listen.
When you phone in,
No. Like, a young
because I
text.
get to one like it's
Yeah,
missed call
text.
notification.
Yeah, and then, now me, like, mangin phone, I say, bambi. Yeah, well. So
But
now
then,
there's no text, like,
Do
in
you
between.
text him? Do you text him? Yeah, hypocrite 101. Hypocrite MC.
Ngiyabuza ngithi ngamla. Alright.
Yes, so good. Let's get into it. If one night you had to actually summarize the background, Yako, your school years and early years, what would that actually be like when you summarize that way?
Yo. Mangi summarize lo munye umuntu. Wow. I would really say eye-opening.
Yeah.
Inemfundiso.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuyibeka ngesilungu, but yeah, you know, benemfundiso eziningi, you know.
Yeah.
I learned a lot of things growing up, and I think I'm really grateful for the time I grew up in, and it's timing yakhona as a whole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When God says it's time, and it will happen right there.
Into ngathi I'm grateful about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As actor.
Childhood.
Look, it's no hidden secret that you started out your career as a party MC. But do you remember the very first party that you MC'd or your very first gig?
I actually do.
Oh, tell us.
And I was scared. I was really scared. People weren't as responsive as they are now.
Yeah.
You know, especially if it's like a location, you know, they always say, hey, let's do this. What's happening?
Yeah.
Like, what's happening? You know, so, yeah, it started off really rough. You know, they'll compare,
Sure.
know. But until they got to, like, differentiate with, oh, this guy is actually, you know, he does this.
And if I be like extra.
Yeah. That's when, you know, they started accepting, you know, they started loving the work, understanding what he MC is not just there to make a noise.
Yeah.
You know, it's there to create an experience and a vibe.
A warmth vibe, yeah.
Where's about to put them funny?
Yeah.
Huh. Probably here.
Emsakazweni?
Probably.
Yeah.
You know. Net ukuthi nje nginenkinga yokustarta yabo, but probably
I start,
here.
huh?
Yeah.
I'm here.
But yeah. Or I'll probably be an actor.
Yeah.
Or a TV presenter.
Okay.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Why ngafuna umfaka eKZN TV wena Beyonce? Mfaka eKZN TV mayaqale lapho. Ngisho yena like mina aqale lapho nakho. Yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, tell again.
Let me tell you guys the young secret.
Tell us the young secret.
I used to watch V Entertainment a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I used to peep you guys there. I used to see you all.
Salute,
guys.
my guy.
Yeah.
We appreciate that, bro. Wild, right, Names? Very wild. Hey, sengizothiwa singamadlozi akhona kade safika la ekhaya. Uncle, let me ask you this. For umuntu ongazi ukuthi ekhaya kuphi and what's actually your real name?
Ekhaya Guse Springs, KwaThema.
East Rand, okay.
In the East Rand, yes. Yeah. That's my hood. That's where I come from.
Yeah.
Igama uThando Wasbego. Yeah. Zothina, yes.
Yeah.
No.
Nate is just being spicy. Don't listen to him. Well, we have him right here.
Ish. Beetroot. Wow, guys.
But for color, it kind of white, so think color nje, but purple I can't believe you went there, Names. When Zulwini, I mean, and still beyond the Sophia Zulwini, no Uncle MC was now la must not bonus. I go to when I names are walking Zulwini. Hanging out right here in the fast lane with Uncle MC. It is a spectacular Sel Beyonce and DJ Names, and there's more coming up on the other side of Itolo Shalanat. Okay, so it dropped me that now, so that at least when it's
beginning of the month rush for the 9 to 5 that becomes a 5 to 9. You don't clock out, and neither should your payments. PayFast Pay Network, always open for the dreamers, the doers, for you. From e-commerce to in-store payments and business funding, we have you covered. Sign up today at payfast.io.
Tip your way to glory in the Hollywood Bets Punters Challenge, the free-to-play horse racing game with daily cash giveaways and massive jackpot prizes. Pick all the winners on the race card and you could win 100,000 Rand. Bet 50 Rand or more on your selections using the Bet Slip feature and you could walk away with 1 million Rand. Visit punterschallenge.hollywoodbets.net today and tip your way to the top.
Per person, bro.
Hollywood Sportsbook is a licensed betting operator. No persons under the age of 18 years are permitted to gamble. Winners know when to stop. South African Responsible Gambling Foundation toll-free counseling line 0800 006 008.
Okay, so obviously you can see how it works. We've got questions. Is there anything that you want to make sure we get out so I can find my way to it?
That's fine.
Planned our future.
What
about mine?
No, you're anything.
I don't want
push
to have to
so we
take
can
care
make sure
of
what's
anyone.
again.
It's fine. My event was last week, so yeah, but we are gonna drop music. We are gonna drop music very soon.
That was a dope promo you guys did with Robot. I like that.
Original stamp of originality, very relatable.
Yo. That's the original taste.
I don't know.
Yeah?
Maybe it's the space of the video.
Oh, that's. I thought it was you paste here.
I go TikTok, but you Uber guy.
Asab, engathi mina wantwara mo asimote, wantwara mo asimote, wantwara mo asimote, wantwara mo kimote, kimote, kimote. Asab, engathi nebathi kimote, 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 kimote.
they gon' eat. Aye,
how do you plan to ask question 2?
It's yours, child.
Kanjani? Question 2 wakho now uyazi. Okay, you can do, I'll go first, but you can do question 1. Names, you can skip 2, and let's go to 3. Names? Question 2, we're not going to ask because we don't know what the fuck she's asking. Okay, so I'm going to do a question, and then Beyonce will do my question 1, and you can go straight to 3, okay? Sure. Yeah, because, like, what was that, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. He just said, yo, so let's skip it.